There's a cool little video on YouTube. Let me just show that now, and it explains how this works. I'm actually going to cut out the section and start talking about rabbits, but that's because you guys already understand how stereo works.
Microsoft's Kinect has a depth sensor that can tell how far away things are. In this stream, brighter colors are closer and darker ones are farther away. This video will explain how it does this, which is pretty clever, and not how many people initially thought it worked.
By the way, these things are relatively easy to implement. You could implement these things too. Just hook up your Kinect. You can just write a little program, or even in MATLAB, you can do it directly and display it, and it's kind of cool to experiment with. The thing that I like about this video that you can see well is he sets it up so you can look at this in a dark room using a IR sensitive camera, which, by the way, most digital cameras are IR sensitive. So if you do this, you can probably look at this on the video feed coming off of your digital camera while you've illuminated things with the Kinect, and you'll see it.
Now if you take a night vision camera and look at the projection from the Kinect, you won't see a grid of numbers, but rather a random speckle pattern. This accomplishes the same goal though, because no group of specks looks like any other, so the Kinect automatically knows the angle of every group, and can therefore triangulate distances, just like shown before. The downside of this technology is that it can only work indoors because sunlight would wash out the speckle pattern, and similarly, multiple Kinects would confuse each other.